Oh, that's a cute house over there. I love a nice Buddha.
Okay, so this is 6 bedrooms, 2 baths.
Okay. Here's the closet. Okay. That's room number 1.
That's your 3rd.
Just looking at the closet space. Okay. This is nice.
And then a full. So I think this is a half and then a full.
This has the one that had the fancy, and it was downstairs.
This is a
Okay.
good size.
Oh, nice. Double closets for boys. I already see this one will be for Liam and Aiden. I just want to see the closet space. Okay, just regular. Okay. Oh, this is like a chef's kitchen. Oh, this is like good energy. I like this.
That's like good luck.
She has like a big one in her backyard.
Wow. I like the backyard.
I like how it flows together. Is this washer and dryer or a closet? Oh, pantry.
Like a pantry.
Oh, nice. That's a lot of room. Ooh, this. Oh, this is.
Do this.
Ooh, I'm scared of heights, so. Oh my God, it's so high up.
Do this.
No, I'm not gonna do. Oh my God, it's so high up. It is very high up. I wanna like walk down the stairs, so I'm just gonna do that with my phone. And then it was a house. We would kind of record
We
this.
go outside.
Whee. Oh my God.
Have you ever been to Great Adventures?
Yeah, when I was younger. I wouldn't now. Oh my God. Whew. Okay, the stairs aren't so bad. Oh. Oh. This is nice. It's like, oh, it's a fire pit right there. That's, yeah, I see. That's nice. And storage right here. And okay, there's another door that way.
Let's go upstairs.
All right. I like the energy in this house though.
I want to say it was 4, right? It's a garage.
Okay.
Yeah, because there's 4 upstairs, because there's 2 down here. Wow. Wow.
Oh, nice.
There's a bathroom here. Oh, this is amazing. I like this one.
It's a little office area. Oh, that's a lot of room down here. Wash and dryer.
Good office space. you could have went out right here.
Yeah, that's why I said I saw a door, and I'm like, I'll wait till we come down
This
here.
is a bedroom here.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice. This will be my bedroom right here.
Might be a bathroom.
Yep.
Wow. This is a one. I like this one. And it's a
This
full
is nice.
Let's see.
Oh, let me see the shower.
Closet here.
This a closet?
It is.
Oh. Wow, it's a big closet too. Okay. Oh.
That's definitely 6.
Yeah.
No, we did come in here.
Did
Notice that sometimes every room has a theme.
Yeah.
Hello? Am I coming for you tomorrow morning?
That's like a cute little white beach. Oh my god, that's so cute. Look at that.